Hello my people, this is Green Golf for channel. If you are new in this platform, please subscribe, share, like and put my notification bell on all the time. Okay guys, you know what? Something is about to be happening in Nigeria. You can see all the United Nations and the European Union, all of them come together. They say that they can see what is going on in Nigeria. They can see the way they were killing all the IPOB, and the Manami is trying to saying something about Nnamdi Kanu that all the IPOB, they are all terrorists. They can see what is going on in that country. That's why I was trying to be telling people that you people should be looking what is going on, what is about to happen in that country. You can see Manami come out, he's saying IPOB, they are all terrorists. Now you have to go back to Sunday Igboho and start making a stupid comment about Sunday Igboho, that Sunday Igboho changing 12,000 million naira 8 years ago. What nonsense, all these people. They don't know what they're supposed to say. They don't know what they're supposed to talk. They don't know that the whole world is looking at them. This Manami is a criminal. This Manami, you see this man that you are looking, that he was talking, I don't want you to listen to him. I don't want you to hear what you are saying. I need to say something about this man. This man is a heathen, is a thief, is a big terrorist. You can see all of them. See the way all of them, they were sitting down there. They are all terrorists. They are all criminal. And these people, they were just following. You can see what is going on. When people trying to expose them, they will try to kill the person, jail the person, or murder the person. And you can see all the bandits, all the killer, all of them, they were all inside the bush killing, slaughter people like a animal. These people, they are not talking about them. They are not saying anything about them. They are the terrorists killing people in Nigeria. It's only people, all the innocent people that they don't know anything. That is those people they are now start following, telling them that they do business with bandits, they do business with this, because they don't know what exactly they're going to say. They don't know exactly what they're going to do. You see this man sitting down here calling himself Manami is a criminal. This guy that you are looking is a criminal. This man talking here is a big criminal. He's a thief, because he have nothing. He have nothing to rent. They have all their agenda, Fulani agenda in that country. They have their Fulani agenda. You can see Nnamdi Kanu have been making a noise about all these their stupid artists, whatever they were doing in that country. Because these people, they have seen that all the European Union, all the UN, all of them, they are turning against them now. Because they were seeing that something is about to fall down. You can see the way the woman is looking like. All of them, see the way the man is looking like. All of them, they are all stressed now. Because they know that they were doing wrong thing. They are all criminal. They are all thief. Because they were trying to turn the whole country to upside down. Killing innocent people. Now they see that all the European Union, all of them, they are not fool. They can see what is going on in that country, that people have been screaming here and there. People have been coming together here and there. People have been doing a lot of agitator here and there. People can hear them. They can see what is going on in that country. You see, I just want you people to look this video. When you go back to look this video, bring your opinion on this video and make your own comment on this video, because these people calling this Manami is a criminal. You can see how Nnamdi Kanu, how they bring Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria is a very stupid thing. I've never seen in my life people doing stupid thing. They blame Nnamdi Kanu. They call IPOB is a criminal. They are supporting people killing. Now they are now go back to Sunday Igboho now. That Sunday Igboho changed money in 8 years ago. Now you see what is going on. And they are finding the way to go to Cotonou to go and bring Sunday Igboho to Nigeria, which is not going to happen. This Malami is a criminal. This Malami is a terrorist. All his Fulani agenda is all of them. They are all terrorists. My people, don't listen to this man. This man is a fool. He's a criminal. He's a thief. He's a terrorist. He's a criminal, big criminal justice. Anyway, when you look this video, please share, like, and put my notification bell on. All the European Union, they were coming for them. Thank you for listening to me. God bless you. Bye-bye.